about to make a shocking prediction that could turn the EV industry on its head in a world where electric dreams and eco-friendly aspirations are driving forces. Buckle up, gearheads, as we reveal Toyota's game-changing innovation, the hydrogen engine, in a battle royale against electric vehicles. If you thought electric vehicles were the undisputed champions of the green revolution, think again. If you're itching for a thrill and love a good rivalry, get ready to witness a face-off that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the future of transportation. Join us as we dive headfirst into the world of Toyota's shocking prediction, the hydrogen engine's epic showdown against the EV industry. Imagine a world where cars run on water, power, and sheer audacity, where the sounds of roaring engines meet the whispers of zero emissions. In this video from Car Computer Exchange, we're about to reveal how Toyota's latest cutting-edge technology has the potential to replace traditional gasoline engines without sacrificing power or efficiency. But don't be fooled by the whispers of quiet engines. This battle is far from silent. With hydrogen engines on the rise, the EV industry's reign may be facing its most formidable challenge yet. It's a revolution in motion, and we're here to take you behind the wheel as we explore Toyota's hydrogen-powered engine and its potential to shake up the automotive landscape. Get ready to witness the clash of titans as we pit hydrogen against electricity, tradition against innovation, and the old guard against the disruptors. This is not just a battle of horsepower, it's a race for a greener, more sustainable future. The limitations of electric engines for heavy machinery. Let's face it, electric vehicles have taken the automotive world by storm, and rightfully so. They're eco-friendly, smooth, and just plain cool. But when it comes to heavy machinery, these electric engines hit a roadblock. Picture this, a colossal bulldozer taking on mountains of earth and pushing through debris with an unstoppable force. That kind of muscle demands an engine with raw power and torque, and that's where electric engines fall short. Sure, they may be perfect for zipping around city streets, but when it comes to heavy-duty tasks, they simply can't match the sheer force of diesel engine. Heavy machinery specialists like JCB know this all too well. They've dabbled with battery-powered engines as a potential solution to reduce emissions, but they soon discovered the hard way that they couldn't generate the horsepower needed to get the job done efficiently. Batteries might be great for city commuting, but powering massive excavators and dump trucks? Not so much. And let's be real, we can't afford to sacrifice power when it comes to heavy machinery. These machines play a crucial role in building our cities and infrastructure and shaping the world around us. So the search for a sustainable alternative that doesn't compromise on power became the holy grail for companies like Toyota. Toyota's investment in hydrogen-fueled engines. As a pioneer in the green revolution, Toyota has been at the forefront of developing hybrid and electric cars for years. But they didn't stop there. Instead, they set their sights on an even bolder mission, finding an alternative solution that could revolutionize the automotive industry while saving the environment. In a move that left many jaws dropping, Toyota announced its partnership with Yamaha Motor to develop a hydrogen-fueled engine that would offer the same level of power as gasoline engines, all while emitting zero emissions. A true game-changer in the making. The Yamaha Hydrogen Engine. Power meets clean energy. Now you might be thinking, hydrogen? Isn't that the stuff that powers rockets? Well, buckle up because you're about to be amazed. Yamaha, drawing on its expertise in internal combustion engines, took the 5-liter V8 engine from the luxurious Lexus RCF Coupe and turned it into a hydrogen powerhouse. With some clever modifications to its cylinder heads and injectors, the Yamaha Hydrogen Engine emerged with an outstanding 450 horsepower at 6,800 RPM. That's right, this hydrogen-fueled beast stands tall among traditional gasoline engines, proving that power and sustainability can go hand in hand. And here's the cherry on top. Yamaha is just as passionate about the internal combustion engine as it is about the hydrogen revolution. Their commitment to preserving this legacy while driving towards carbon neutrality shows that they're not just looking to replace it, but to create a more sustainable future for the automotive industry. All right, fellow eco-warriors and petrol heads. Are you ready to hop on this electrifying roller coaster of hydrogen-powered excitement? Who would have thought that a tiny element like hydrogen could pack such a punch in the automotive world? But hold on tight, we've got more jaw-dropping revelations coming your way. Are you Team Hydrogen or Team EV? Let us know in the comments below, and keep those engines revving for the ultimate showdown. Other automakers are joining the hydrogen race. Toyota isn't the only player in the hydrogen game. Other automakers like BMW have also dipped their toes in the waters of hydrogen-powered vehicles. Their Hydrogen 7, featuring an internal combustion engine that can run on gasoline or liquid hydrogen, showcases the versatility of hydrogen as a sustainable alternative to conventional gasoline engines. But the list doesn't end there. Toyota's experimental hydrogen-powered vehicles like the GR Yaris and the hydrogen-powered Corolla Sport add to the growing momentum of hydrogen's potential for reshaping the automotive landscape. JCB's bold hydrogen journey. But wait, there's more. Even heavy machinery giants like JCB have joined the hydrogen revolution. They explored battery cells as a potential solution, but quickly realized that they were too complex and expensive for heavy-duty applications. With a determination that could move mountains, JCB boldly decided to focus on hydrogen-powered engines as the future of their heavy machinery lineup. And not just any engines, they embarked on a journey to develop a brand new hydrogen engine from scratch. It wasn't an easy task by any means, but their team of engineers burned the midnight oil, tirelessly developing over 50 different prototypes of their hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine. They knew that this was the key to a cleaner and more sustainable future for their industry, and they weren't willing to settle for anything less. Toyota gets the green light. With all this talk about hydrogen engines, you might be wondering, how far along are we in making this a reality? Well, Toyota has been putting its hydrogen engines to the test in the bustling cities of Los Angeles and Long Beach, California. The results have been nothing short of impressive, and they've caught the attention of the California Air Resources Board, or CARB. This esteemed board has given Toyota the green light to sell fuel cell kits, meaning that soon, anyone can build their own eco-friendly, hydrogen-powered rig. It's like opening a new chapter in the green transportation revolution, empowering individuals and fleets alike to take charge of their environmental impact. The fuel cell kits are set to go into production in Kentucky later this year, ushering in a whole new era of eco-friendly hauling. The visionary outlook. Leading the hydrogen engine charge is none other than Toyota's Executive Program Manager, Chris Rovick. He's a visionary in the world of sustainable transportation, and his confidence in the potential of hydrogen engines is nothing short of inspiring. With pioneers like Toyota and JCB at the forefront, cutting-edge hydrogen technology is closer than ever to becoming a reality in the transportation industry. Rovick firmly believes that these engines can deliver the power, distance, and fueling times that fleets and operators need to keep their operations running smoothly. The rise of hydrogen engines. While electric vehicles have been headlining the green movement, hydrogen engines are the unsung heroes, ready to diversify our sustainable options. They offer an alternative path to building a greener future, opening up possibilities beyond just electric vehicles. Overcoming challenges like hydrogen fuel availability and infrastructure is the next frontier in this journey. Experts are optimistic that with continued investment and innovation, we can build a network of hydrogen refueling stations that rival traditional gas stations. A world where hydrogen-powered vehicles roam the roads, not as a novelty, but as a practical and sustainable choice for transportation. So gear up and get ready for a ride into the future, where raw power meets environmental consciousness, all thanks to the incredible hydrogen engine revolution. The automotive industry's future has never looked this exciting, and we're here to witness it all. The road ahead is paved with innovation, and hydrogen engines are steering us towards a greener tomorrow. And there you have it, folks. The hydrogen engine's triumphant journey to reshape the future of transportation. Who knew that eco-friendliness and raw power could go hand in hand? But this is just the beginning of a revolution that's sure to spark some heated debates around the dinner table. So, if you're as intrigued as we are by the race between hydrogen and EVs, don't miss a beat. Hit that subscribe button and join our Car Computer Exchange community, where we dive headfirst into all things automotive, from the classics to the cutting edge. Together, we'll continue to explore the highways and byways of innovation, turning the wheels towards a greener, more sustainable future. Don't miss out on any of the action. Click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more thrilling rides and exciting revelations. Until next time, remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey, one hydrogen engine at a time.